Hey guys, so welcome back to Growth Traders. So in this video, we are going to cover the intraday trade setup for FINNIFTY especially, and then BANKNIFTY and NIFTY for the upcoming week, right? So yes, the markets have developed a very different kind of a structure thanks to the several factors influencing the Indian markets at the current point of time. So yes, it is a good time for us to plan a good trade setup for the upcoming week before we get started, right? So without further delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, if I show you the hourly time frame on FINNIFTY, so yes, this is the chart of FINNIFTY and this is the hourly time frame, as you can see it very clearly. Alright, so what is visible here is the market broke this crucial area of 20,000 mark on the chart of the FINNIFTY's price, right? So this was broken down and the markets closed almost near to this area on our previous trading session, right? So that was on the Friday's trading session. What we can observe is the market was not able to close above 20,000 but somewhere near to it, right? So if you look at this area very clearly on this hourly time frame, what is visible here is you have the 21 period exponential moving average on the hourly time frame, as well as this crucial area of 20,000, and of course this downtrending structure forming up, right? So this could potentially serve you as a trend line. So all in all, this is a very crucial resistance zone. That's what I want to clear here. So thanks to that, we shall be looking for shorting opportunities if the market opens flat, right, or a slight gap down. So in case the market opens gap down somewhere near maybe say 99.30, so the first thing we could wait for is a small pullback towards the area of 20,000, and a good rejection from here will eventually lead to a decent fall, right? In the second scenario, if the market opens flat very close to the 20,000 level, so in that case what may happen is the market may start an intraday downtrend, and then based on that we can go short, right? The chances of a gap up opening is quite unlikely, thanks to the fact that the US markets gave a very strong intraday U-turn on our previous trading session. It was down by about 500 points from the intraday high. So I don't really expect a gap up opening, but if there occurs one, then again look forward to gap filling, and then following that we can go on a short side direction. So keep that in mind. Going short under any circumstances, just make sure that you got some confirmation, right? So in case the markets again go above 20,000, then we can observe a very good round of short covering as well, right? As you can see, this is a very crucial resistance zone for the short term, and if somehow the market manages to sustain above it, then there could be one round of upside movement, right? So yes, also keep that in mind. If I come back to the chart of BANKNIFTY, right, a very similar price structure can be observed here as well. You can see this is the downtrend that the price has created, and right now it has again closed around this area of 44,900 to 45,000. I mean, this is the rough resistance zone that we could consider. So from here again we can expect a good fall, right? All right, so that is my analysis on FINNIFTY and BANKNIFTY. So yes, I will be biased on the bearish side, only thanks to the fact that the US markets gave a very sharp U-turn on our previous trading session. You can see this, it was a very strong round of selling from the highs, and the VIX also went up by 7%, right? So thanks to that, I expect some kind of a bearish movement in the Indian markets as well on Monday, right? The scenario could be different. Now it depends on how the market players in India absorb this kind of a selling, or maybe not react to it at all. That could also be a scenario, but considering the charts on FINNIFTY and BANKNIFTY, and thanks to the fact that the markets have not been able to close above the crucial short-term resistance zones, so we can actually consider some kind of a fall from there, right? So how long the fall might last, that's again a good question, right? So if there is a decent enough momentum, then we could probably see around 100 to 120 point fall on FINNIFTY easily, right? So the third thing, again let's go back to the chart of NIFTY, right? NIFTY, if you were to ask me, it also got a very similar structure, right? almost like the FINNIFTY's chart or the BANKNIFTY's chart. But the only thing that will work against this fall in case of Nifty is Reliance, right? In case. So if you look at the chart of Reliance, the Reliance chart, the Reliance price is trading at the 21 period exponential moving average on the daily time frame and seems to have taken some kind of a support from here. So in case Reliance Industries starts to go up, then in that case Nifty may not be that bearish as opposed to FINNIFTY and BANKNIFTY. That is again a very important point to consider. So if you think of going short, and if we also observe Reliance to be strong tomorrow, at least at the opening time, so there is a good chance that FINNIFTY will fall more than Nifty, or BANKNIFTY or FINNIFTY is likely to fall more than Nifty, right? If you look at the chart of the IT sector, so the IT sector gave a pretty good closing on the previous session. It is on the verge of filling this gap, right? So again, this structure is also decent enough, not that bearish, right, as opposed to something like FINNIFTY, right? FINNIFTY or BANKNIFTY has also gone up on the previous session, but the movement was not as strong as what we could observe in the IT sector, right? So the IT sector may not be again that much bearish. So considering both the factors, considering both Reliance and the IT sector, we could probably come to the conclusion that if there comes a fall in our market, then that fall could be larger in FINNIFTY or BANKNIFTY as opposed to Nifty. So this is a very important point to consider and trade based on this, right? And in case our markets turn bullish, then again what may happen is Reliance and the IT sector may lead the upward movement. That is the counter scenario that we need to take care of. So considering all the factors, hope you now have a conclusion on what to do based on whatever way the market opens and however the situations turn out to be, right? For more insights on this kind of data, just go ahead and join our free community. The link is in the description. It is an absolutely amazing place for you to find great setups right in the live market, and we also take a good number of live market trading sessions. So yes, you can also be a part of it. Just make sure to join our free community. The link is in the description. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Hope you now have a good enough trade plan for tomorrow, for the first half at least, right? Thank you for giving your time. See you in the next video.